All right, I'm here with Pedro Garcia, and you got stem cells about 5 months ago based on what your wife just said. So tell me your experience and why you were looking at stem cells.
I was looking at stem cells because I was looking at a double knee replacement. When you're desperate,
Yeah.
you're looking for that straw in the wind. And our pastor, Steve Branson, said, "Hey, you got to come to this." And I did. And you know you're desperate when every time you get up, you groan and your dog starts mimicking you. You know that's desperate. So I came in, got the stem cells. I could not get up because I could not get up. 3 months afterwards, I went to a basketball game at the school that I used to teach at, and I'm sitting on the bottom seat on the bleachers, so I'm this high off the floor. And after the game, the kids came over. "Oh, Mr. Garcia, we'll help you get up." And I said, "Let me try this first." And I stood up.
Woo! Oh, I know that
Their
moment.
jaws dropped. But what I want to talk about is I had a torn rotator cuff. I've had it for about 25 years. And the deltoid pretty much deteriorated. It atrophied completely, so that, you know how guys want to flex. It's time to rebuild, so we're going to lift weights. And I flexed, and it looked like somebody taking a golf ball and hit me, and the indentation stayed. Okay, so in December, I'm starting to do some weightlifting and doing some exercises for my deltoid. And I said, well, I wonder if this stuff works on your knees, but does it really do your body? And I flexed and I flexed and I twisted and I did everything I could, and I could not find that indentation anymore. And I'm thinking, what? So I started feeling my shoulder, and I could feel new muscle growing.
Whoa.
I could feel the indentation gone. I could not raise my arm, straighter than horizontal without giving it boosts. And
Woohoo!
and the other thing is I went to a function at the church where I used to teach, and one of my former students who left the school 3 years ago saw me, and she's a little bit taller than I am. She comes over and says, hello, hello. And then she looks at me and says, "Mr. Garcia, you've got hair." It grew back.
Isn't that awesome?
It grows back darker.
Yeah.
My white Santa Claus beard is gone. The white Caesar's crown is not white anymore.
Got little God highlights in it, but yeah.
So I'm a firm believer, and I'm telling everybody that I can about this.
Yeah, praise God. I love your report. Thank you.